Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janice Magracia and we're here to do an unboxing for, can you guess what brand it is? So this is my second video and I'd like to introduce you to one of my newest addition to my collection, and that's none other than, drum roll please. This is the DIOR, the classic DIOR saddlebag. All right, let me grab that paper bag for you. Hold on. And look, this is the beautiful, very dainty paper bag. And look, they have this star. And they have the satin. Oops, the satin ribbon. And it's like, this one is texturized, like a pebbled. I don't know if my lighting is too bright, but there you go. So we're gonna do the unboxing. That's it. So it's the blue DIOR Oblique Embroidery in navy blue. I haven't seen anyone in YouTube done this print yet, so I'm excited to show to you. So look at this. And that's the ribbon. I love doing the unboxing. I bought it last month, but I haven't gotten to open it because I've been busy at work. I have this and another saddlebag, so I'm kind of like weighing which one to keep. But here we go. Let's do this. Again, ladies, this is my second video. I'm very cautious on what to say. I don't know. But like, I hope you guys stick with me and then still watch my video, right? So this is upside down. There you go. Let's open. Merry Christmas. So there's a sticker. Let me open it for you. And by the way, I'm excited to show you some other brands and some other favorite of mine. See, there's a backpack here. But for now, let's just focus on this, okay? Oops. Oh my gosh, my smile, I can't contain. There you go. So this is the blue DIOR Oblique Embroidery. As you could see, it's navy blue, right? I'm a fan of like Heart Evangelista. She's a very famous actress in the Philippines, and she has this one and the red one too, so maybe the red one soon. So this one, let's do this, okay? This is, you can see that it's like a gold antique or antique gold metal, and the handle matches the body of the bag. Right. Should I remove it now? There you go. Let me remove it for you. Let's remove this. There you go. Look, ladies. Here. I'm not sure if you could personalize this. I've done this one for 250. So yep, this is like Christian Dior, but I have my name on that. This I need to ask my SA. By the way, I wanted to make a shout out to my SA in Short Hills. Her name is Miss Elizabeth. She's very, very nice. Every time I'm coming to their store, I felt like I'm very special, VIP. You know, like I don't want to compare with other luxury brands, but Dior customer service, or you know, customer service, and they're very, very welcoming. I don't know, I keep coming, I wanted to keep coming back every day, like every week I will. I have my list on what to buy, like the sunglasses, more mitzvah. Oh my gosh, ladies, I can't wait to show you some of my videos in terms of Dior collection. But anyways, here we go. So this is the front. This is the back. Alright, so again, I'm gonna keep you posted about this if I could, or I mean if they could make personalized for your name. So this is the side. Again, is letter D for Dior. The shape, it's very weird shape, but again, if you're starting to collect from Dior, this is a must to be added on your collection. I keep saying collection, right? So ladies, this is a steer up. Why did I steer here? Okay, so this side has the metal CD, the logo itself, right? There you go. So you cannot remove this one. It's fixed on both sides. So let's go again. On the back there's a pocket. You could put your cell phone. You could put your cell phone here. I'm just showing you the option, okay? I have the Android, so it won't go all the way down, but in terms of this, you could put it like that. I'll figure it out, ladies. So here we go. Let's open and see what's inside. So there's the authenticity card, care card. It's in gray. And then here we go. Let's remove the more papers. And the inside, ladies, is still embroidered, right? Whatever you see here, the same print. Other than that, there's no pocket, nothing. I tried to watch other videos in terms of the reviews, so they're showing like you need to be very creative in terms of putting all your stuff inside. Here we go. So this, according to the website, the size is like 10 inches by 8 by 3. 10 by 8 by 3. I need to get a tape measure. On my next review, I'm gonna go in-depth review for another saddle bag, but for now I just wanted to show you like the unboxing of this one. Okay, so here we go. What else could I say? Oh, you could worn it like by hand or like by shoulder bag, right? And you could also put a strap, like optional for you, like there's you know, they have a thick straps, different colors, different embroidery. It's up to you, like mix and match whatever you wanted to, or you could just like simply stand up like that, right? Again, you could wear it like this, or you could just like hand it like that. All right, so again, this is the Blue Dior Oblique embroidered. embroidered. So saddle bag, there you have it, ladies. It's just a quick video for you to show this one. And then next video I'll show you the other saddle bag and with the straps and what fits inside. Okie dokie. I hope you guys having a good day today, and thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe, comment, like the hit button or hit the like button and ring the bell for notification for more videos from me. All right, ladies, thank you so much, and that's it for our unboxing. Bye.